Have you ever seen skin so clear and luminous it looks like glass? Imagine running your fingers over a surface so smooth, so hydrated, that it reflects light like a mirror. This isn't just a fantasy or a filter, it's a real-life skincare goal that's taken the world by storm. That's the dream of glass skin, a trend born from Korean beauty innovation. It's a look that's inspired millions to rethink what healthy skin can be. And it's not just about appearance, it's about confidence, self-love, and a new approach to caring for yourself. Glass skin isn't about hiding flaws with makeup. It's about embracing your natural beauty and letting your real skin shine through. The goal is skin that looks almost translucent, with a soft, dewy glow that radiates health from within. It's about achieving skin so healthy and hydrated, it glows naturally. This means focusing on moisture, nourishment, and gentle care, giving your skin what it needs to thrive, not just covering it up. K-Beauty has transformed skincare worldwide, introducing multi-step routines that feel like self-care rituals. These routines aren't just about results. They're about taking time for yourself, creating moments of calm in a busy world, and making skincare a daily act of kindness. At the heart of this revolution is the Korean face mask. These masks are more than just a trend. They're a symbol of a new philosophy in skincare, one that values nourishment, hydration, and relaxation. More than a product, it's a philosophy, nourishing, hydrating, and calming. Each mask is a mini spa treatment, delivering potent ingredients directly to your skin while giving you a moment to unwind and recharge. Before K-Beauty, many routines relied on harsh treatments. People often turned to aggressive exfoliants or drying products, hoping for quick fixes but sometimes damaging their skin in the process. The Korean approach is gentler, focusing on building a healthy skin barrier. It's about respecting your skin's natural balance, using lightweight layers of hydration, and choosing ingredients that soothe and protect. Masks are a key tool for long-term radiance accessible to everyone. Whether you're a skincare beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, there's a mask for every skin type, every concern, and every lifestyle. This guide will reveal the secrets of Korean face masks and how to achieve glass skin, no matter your skin type. We'll break down the science, the rituals, and the small changes that can make a big difference. We'll explore mask types, ingredients, and how to make them part of your daily life. From hydrating hyaluronic acid to soothing green tea and innovative ingredients like snail mucin, you'll learn what makes each mask unique and how to choose the best one for your needs. Think of this as your invitation to discover the joy of Korean skincare and transform your skin. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, inside and out, and embracing a routine that celebrates you. The path to glowing skin starts here. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets to your healthiest, most radiant skin ever. What sets Korean face masks apart? It's all about occlusion. A mask creates a barrier, locking in potent ingredients so your skin absorbs every drop. These masks deliver a concentrated dose of hydrators, vitamins, and antioxidants, like a supercharged facial in one step. Innovative materials like hydrogel and biocellulose cling to your face, ensuring even coverage and deeper penetration. The result? Intensive, targeted treatment in just 15-20 minutes. Whether your skin is tired, dry, or stressed, a Korean mask restores balance and radiance fast. It's science, potent ingredients, and thoughtful design, all in one. That's the magic behind their global success. The world of Korean masks is vast and exciting, offering a unique solution for every skin type and concern. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or just starting your journey, there's a mask out there designed just for you. Let's explore the different types and discover how each one can transform your routine. Sheet masks are perhaps the most iconic and beloved of all Korean masks. These single-use, serum-soaked sheets are easy to use and deliver an instant boost of hydration, making them perfect for busy mornings or a quick pick-me-up after a long day. They're available in countless formulas, targeting everything from dryness and dullness to fine lines and uneven skin tone. Simply unfold, apply, and relax as your skin drinks in the nourishing ingredients. Sleeping masks, also known as overnight masks, are designed to work their magic while you sleep. These rich, leave-on treatments deeply nourish, repair, and revitalize your skin overnight, locking in moisture and helping you wake up to a refreshed, glowing complexion. They're especially great for those with dry or tired skin and can be used a few times a week for best results. Clay masks are a must-have for anyone with oily or acne-prone skin. Formulated with natural clays, they work to absorb excess oil, draw out impurities, and clear clogged pores without stripping your skin. Regular use can help minimize breakouts and leave your skin feeling clean, balanced, and refreshed. Bubble masks are a fun and innovative option that foam up on your skin, gently lifting away dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. Peel-off masks, on the other hand, form a thin layer that you can remove in one piece, taking impurities and dead skin with them for a smoother, more radiant complexion. Both types offer a unique experience and visible results. Each mask type is formulated to target specific skin needs, whether you're looking for deep hydration, brightening, deep cleansing, or gentle exfoliation. With so many options, you can easily customize your masking routine to address your skin's changing needs throughout the week. There's truly a mask for every skin concern and every mood. Whether you want to pamper yourself with a spa-like experience or quickly refresh your skin before heading out, Korean masks make it easy and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different mask types, mix and match based on your skin's needs, and find the ones that work best for you. Incorporating masks into your routine can be a fun way to practice self-care and see real improvements in your skin. Remember, masking is as versatile as your skin's needs. With so many options to choose from, you can create a routine that's uniquely yours and enjoy healthy, glowing skin every day. Korean masks are packed with powerhouse ingredients. Here's what to look for. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides deliver deep hydration and strengthen your skin barrier. Niacinamide and vitamin C brighten, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone. Collagen and peptides boost firmness and elasticity, helping skin look youthful and plump. Ginseng revitalizes and fights signs of aging. For soothing, Centella asiatica, Sika, green tea, and aloe vera, calm irritation and repair the skin. Rice water gently brightens and softens. Each ingredient targets a specific concern, so choose masks that match your skin's needs. Understanding these ingredients helps you get the most from every mask. Smart choices lead to visible results. Make masking a ritual for maximum results. Start with double cleansing, oil cleanser, then water-based cleanser for a fresh canvas. Apply toner to balance pH and hydrate, then an essence for extra absorption. Place the mask on your face, smoothing out air bubbles for full contact. Relax for 15-20 minutes. Don't leave it on too long or it can dry out your skin. Remove the mask and gently pat in the leftover serum. Don't rinse. Use extra serum on your neck and hands. Finish with moisturizer to lock in hydration. This simple routine boosts absorption and leaves your skin glowing. Consistency is key. Make it a regular part of your self-care. Enjoy the transformation. Creating your own Korean-inspired face masks at home is easier than you might think, and you don't need any fancy or expensive products to get started. With just a few simple, natural ingredients from your kitchen, you can craft effective treatments that nourish your skin and give you that signature K-beauty glow. These homemade masks are not only budget-friendly, but they also allow you to control exactly what goes onto your skin, making them a great choice for anyone looking to embrace a more natural skincare routine. For a brightening mask, start by mashing some cooked rice until it's smooth, then mix in a spoonful of honey and a splash of milk. This combination is inspired by traditional Korean beauty secrets, known for their gentle yet effective results. Apply the creamy mixture to your face. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. You'll notice your skin feels softer, looks more radiant, and has a healthy, natural glow. If your skin is feeling dry or tired, try a hydrating mask made with fresh cucumber juice and cooled green tea. Simply mix the two together, soak a sheet mask or cotton pads in the liquid, and apply to your face for a refreshing, soothing boost. The antioxidants in green tea help calm the skin, while cucumber hydrates and cools, making this mask perfect for hot days or after sun exposure. For gentle exfoliation and a renewed complexion, blend plain yogurt with a little milk and a touch of honey. Yogurt contains natural lactic acid, which helps to gently remove dead skin cells, while honey soothes and hydrates. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Before trying any new mask, it's important to do a patch test on a small area of your skin. This simple step helps you avoid irritation or allergic reactions, especially if you have sensitive skin or are using a new ingredient for the first time. Be cautious and avoid using harsh ingredients like lemon juice or baking soda in your homemade masks. While these are sometimes recommended online, they can disrupt your skin's natural balance and cause irritation or even damage, especially with repeated use. Making your own masks is not only affordable and customizable, but it can also be a fun and relaxing activity to do alone or with friends. You can experiment with different ingredients to find what works best for your skin type and concerns, turning skincare into a creative self-care ritual. Homemade masks let you enjoy the benefits of K-beauty right from your own kitchen, using ingredients you already have. You can compare them to store-bought options and see how natural solutions can be just as effective, if not more so, for your skin's health and appearance. Remember, the key to great skin is treating it with care and creativity. Listen to what your skin needs, and don't be afraid to try new combinations of gentle, nourishing ingredients. With a little effort and imagination, your homemade masks can deliver beautiful, glowing results, proving that sometimes, the best skincare comes from your own home. Timing matters for masking. Morning masks prep your skin for makeup, delivering instant hydration and a dewy base. Evening masks help your skin repair overnight, perfect for richer treatments. Hydrating sheet masks can be used daily. Clay or exfoliating masks are best 1-2 times a week. Listen to your skin and adjust frequency as needed. The best time to mask is whenever you can relax and enjoy it. Consistency, not timing, delivers the best results. Make masking a regular self-care ritual for lasting glow. Avoid these common masking mistakes for the best results. Never apply a mask to a dirty face. Always cleanse first. Don't leave sheet masks on too long. Remove while still damp to prevent moisture loss. Never rinse off the serum after a sheet mask. Pat it in for maximum benefit. Use clay or exfoliating masks only as directed to avoid irritation. Overmasking with harsh treatments can damage your skin barrier. Pay attention to how your skin feels. Tightness or redness means it's time to scale back. Gentle, consistent care is the secret to a healthy glow. Mask smart for beautiful results. What results can you expect from Korean masks? Instantly, you'll notice plumper, softer, more radiant skin. Perfect before a big event. Pores look smaller, texture is smoother, and redness is reduced. With consistent use, you'll see brighter, more even skin tone and fading of dark spots. Over time, skin becomes firmer, more elastic, and better at retaining moisture. The real magic is in the long-term transformation. Skin that's healthy, resilient, and truly glows from within. Dedicate time to this ritual and watch your skin change. Your glass skin journey starts now. Thank you for watching. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more glowing secrets. Stay radiant and see you in the next video.